How to buy Polkadot on Trust Wallet app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy the Polkadot coin crypto on Trust Wallet. So first thing we do is we go to Trust Wallet like this and then choose, this is the home page, you need to choose buy here and then go down and you will find the Polkadot. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Let's write Polka and you will find it as you can see. Now click on it like this and now you have to choose the amount of money that you want to spend on this crypto Polkadot. If you want to spend 200, if you want to spend 200, write 200 and then click next, and after that it will take you to the third party website. Then choose your country here, like for example Denmark, and then click proceed from here and you will buy it in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.